Hi guys, one Wednesday afternoon and I'm buying stuff to fix the fence. So I bought initially 80 pieces of these fence planks and one 4x4 by 8 fence posts and some screws. Guys, day 1 ay pag-ants namin, demolition day. Ako lang nagbaklas niyan. Ito, basura. So yung ibang basura nilagay ko sa harap. Hindi ko nilagay lahat kasi pag masyado madami hindi ko kunin ng basurero or nung nagre-recycling. So the plan is, hey, shh! Go, ay, Rocky, go. So the plan is kailangan ko magbaon ng poste kasi sira na yung poste dito. Problema, dalawa pala yung poste yung sira. Shh! Go inside, mga aso ko. Isa at saka dito dalawa, parang every 5 feet yata, every 5 feet. So maghuhukay muna ako. Hindi naman yata siya ganun kalalim, siguro 1 foot deep lang. Tapos bubuhos ako semento and then saka na yung framing. May na-update pa guys ng fence. Today bumili ako materyales, so kalahati pa lang yan. Okay. Ang second day naghukay ako and I was surprised na ang lalim pala ng ng post. So I got stumped. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko kasi 2 feet na yung nahuhukay ko, hindi ko pa rin nakukuha yung lumang post. So dalawa. Hey, Rocky. So tumakas kasi walang fence. So nag-decide ako, hindi ko na bubunutin yung old fence, lalagay ko lang yung new fence sa side. Mas matibay yon. So kahit mas malalim siya, siguro 3 feet yan. Hindi naman niya binuhusan ng concrete. Ako bubuhusan ko ng concrete. So dalawa. Para masimulan ko na. Yan lang talaga ang problema ko, yung post eh. No? Malalim. So nagkaroon ako ng idea. First time ko itong mag-install ng fence. So ngayon ako nagkaroon ng idea, yung framework, paano yung approach ko. So once na maitayo ko yan, yung brace na 1, 2 1, 2, 1, 2, tapos yun na, lalagyan natin yung mga fence. Mga aso ko di makagala eh. 2 fence posts done. First one and then second one. Also put concrete. Quick set. Make sure it's straight. Okay guys, ginabi na ako. Bigyan ko lang yung update, no. So nalagay ko na yung post. Yan. Habang pinapatuyo, nilagay ko na rin yung niya, supporting bracket sa taas. Ito, naglagay na ako ng isa dito. So kailangan ko pa ng isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, 5 pa. Tapos pag nalagay ko na yung 5 yon, pwede na ako maglagay na to, yung mga fence, the actual picket fence. Just to give you an update, I already put this here and there. I still need 2 more. 1, and it's supposed to be, I'm not gonna touch this, but it's better to replace it or add additional brace. And I'm gonna do this to the rest of the joints. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So this is my plan. So it's really supported. It's gonna be sandwiched in between the joint. Then after that I can proceed to install this. Okay. Still not level. Okay, almost there. Perfect. Long tip. Okay, now I have the right tip. Okay. For the additional brace, I ran out of screws, so I'm going to use nails. Nails, old trusty nails. Trusty nails. Nope, I should have. Okay. Okay. May 29, Wednesday. Finally, natapos ko na yung fence namin. First time ko tong gawin. First time kong gumawa ng fence. So, pinanood ko lang yung iba. And I think in-improve ko kasi screws ang ginamit ko. Exterior screws. Screws. Mas matibay yan. Tsaka hindi ganong kinakalawang. Kasi exterior. Tapos naglagay ako ng cement dito sa dalawang poste na in-install ko. So, siguro ang pinakamahirap yung prep work. Yung demolition, yung talagang tatanggalin mo lahat, huhukayin mo yung mga nakabaon. Ayun, nakakapagod yun. Yung pag-install nitong mga fence, actual fence, no? Picket fences, yun ang pinakamadali eh. So yun, yung prep work, yung planning, paano ko i-approach, paano ko papantayin, magka-opposite. So gumamit ako ng level. So far, pantay naman. So far so good. Yan, naka-level yan. Pantay. I'm proud of my work. Marunong na ako mag-fence, sabi na miss ko. O, pwede ka na mangontrata. So, that's it guys. See you next time.